So yan guys, nakita na ang launching ng iPhone 16 series. And well, inestimate na natin ang presyo para hindi na kayo mag-do the math. This is based on the launching price ng Apple in the States. So makita natin si iPhone 16, meron siya tatlong variant, no? 128, 256, and 512 gigs. So it starts with a price of $54,990, which is directly converted from US dollar. And ang pinaka-highest is $73,990. Now, pagdating naman sa iPhone 16 Plus, meron din siyang 128, 256, and 512. Starting at a price of around mga 63,000 and ang pinaka-highest is around mga 82,000. iPhone 16 Pro has a apat na variant, no? 128, 256, 512, and 1 terabyte. Starting price around mga 70,000 pesos and ang kanyang pinaka-highest is around mga 101,000 pesos. And of course, the biggest iPhone ever, iPhone 16 Pro.